FightCamp Elite Boxing Home Gym app. The pros, the cons. Most people think you need a gym and a coach to box effectively. But the surprising truth is, FightCamp brings that entire experience straight into your living room. It's a smart boxing system that combines real punches with interactive training, but is it really worth the investment? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, FightCamp's biggest strength is its immersive setup. You get high-quality boxing gloves, a freestanding punching bag, and motion sensors that track every jab, cross, and hook. The sensors measure punch count, speed, and power, giving you immediate feedback, something even most gym coaches can't do. The app experience is another highlight. FightCamp offers hundreds of on-demand classes, from beginner fundamentals to advanced combo drills. The trainers are motivating and the workouts are structured to improve both cardio and strength while keeping you fully engaged. One underrated benefit is convenience. You can train whenever you want, no commute, no waiting for a bag, and no judgment. It's a complete home boxing gym that fits into tight spaces. Now for the cons. The system isn't cheap, especially once you include the monthly membership fee for full access to classes. You also need floor space for the bag and room to move around safely. And while it's great for cardio and conditioning, it doesn't replace traditional strength training for those who want muscle building results. In conclusion, FightCamp Elite is perfect for anyone who loves high-energy workouts and wants the intensity of boxing without leaving home. It's interactive, motivating, and incredibly fun. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly or strength-focused program, you might find it limited. Still, for boxing enthusiasts and fitness lovers alike, FightCamp delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience that keeps you coming back for more.